Building construction classification. The construction activities in the field of architecture and civil engineering are divided into 7 groups: demolition and geotechnics, concrete, steel, masonry, insulation, openings, and finishing. The concrete specifications are divided into 5 sections: concrete materials and mixed design, concrete properties, concrete execution specifications, rebar execution specifications, special concretes. Concrete constituents include cement, aggregate, water, and admixtures. Building construction principles. General water requirements. Contamination, moss and algae formation, and extreme changes in water temperature must be prevented. Reason for requirements and maintenance method. Prevention of moss and algae. Water in the tank must circulate, rotate. The tank must be inspected periodically and cleaned every 1 to 3 months if necessary. Water contaminated with moss can cause undesirable aeration and reduce the strength and durability of concrete. Water temperature control. The water tank is best built buried in the ground. Otherwise, it must have appropriate moisture and thermal insulation. Buried or insulated tanks prevent extreme changes in water temperature in hot and cold seasons. Reference.